Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to give you an update of my gel polishes that I wore for over 4 weeks when I went to my Asia trip. Here is the picture that I took after I just applied the gel polishes, and you guys have been asking me, how do your nails look? Have they grown out a lot? How do the gel polishes actually last? And I have to say I am so extremely impressed about how well these lasted. As you guys know, Madam Glam is actually kind of like my go-to brand as far as gel polishes go. They last extremely long on my natural nails. Yes guys, these are my natural nails if you were curious about that. I only had a little bit of lifting at both of my pointer fingers, but that is something I have like regardless how long I wear them or if I'm on trip or in water a lot. I always get a little bit of lifting. After about 3 to 3.5 weeks of wearing gel polishes, doesn't matter what brand, but yeah, I just had after like 4.5 weeks just a little bit of lifting on those. But in this video I just wanted to show you all of the colors, what they look like after 4.5 weeks, so you can actually see how well they lasted, what colors I did use. So like for the blue, I used the Perfect Blue. Again, these are all gel polishes by Madam Glam and I'm just so happy that I am able to work with them. As you might know, I am collaborating with Madam Glam. They send out awesome colors to me every now and then and I'm more than happy to just try them out and also make videos like this because I love sharing with you how my nails actually are looking after 4.5 weeks of wearing them. I didn't do anything special with them. The only thing is I went on my 4-week trip to Asia. So I went to Dubai, which is pretty hot out there. I went to Thailand, which was also pretty hot. And I went to Japan as well, which was more of like a Dutch climate, so that was kind of cool. But I really loved seeing how well these gel polishes held up, even after me being in a pool almost every single day for a couple of hours. Like, they lasted like a dream. I expected way more of the gel polish to actually be lifting and all just getting separate from my nail or anything like that, but I had no issues with that whatsoever during my trip, so that was really epic. So yeah, the colors I used were Perfect Blue, you already saw that one, as well as the Neon Lime Green. This one was the Perfect Yellow, and this orange is so gorgeous. It's called Screaming Summer. If you want to see any like live swatches, you can definitely check out my older videos if you want to. I have already swatched and reviewed every single color that I used for this particular design. Also, I didn't want to add any glitter or stickers or decals or gems to my set for the 4-week trip I took, because I felt like if there are going to be any damages to my nail, I won't be able to fix them because I wasn't taking anything else with me like nail related other than a nail file. So that's why I just chose 5 really cute colors, such as this pink one, which is actually one of my favorite colors by Madam Glam. It's called Flores. I think it's so gorgeous. This is like the perfect Barbie pink in my opinion. I just love neon pinks like these. They are so gorgeous. And I also wanted to mention that all of the colors that I did apply to my nails before leaving for my trip, I only took 2 thin layers to make them completely opaque. You have heard me rave and rave about this brand for so long, but just to be sure, I'm really impressed with the brand. They are vegan, cruelty-free, they're 9-free. I really love using their soak off base coat as well as their non-wipe top coat. Their regular top coat is really neat as well, but just to like spare some time and not having to get rid of a sticky or tacky layer after curing, just go for the no wipe top gel. Like the regular one is fine, you just have a sticky layer you still have to remove, but it saves a little more time to just use this one. It's really nice. It works for the metallic gels as well, which I shared like a week ago or something. I really love those colors as well. I can't wait to use them more often during the holiday season. But yeah, this was like my 4-week update. As I mentioned, I've been in the pool so much. I've been in different climates and everything was still like put on there like super secure. Just a little bit of lifting and you can see my natural nails are perfectly fine underneath, no damages whatsoever. And yeah, I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and as usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.